Is anybody around here? Can you speak into this little box, please? Just keep turning itself off.
No, I switched it off.
Oh. Can I get this green?
I am.
What's that? Setting that off
Oh,
your torch.
yes.
Is anybody here? Thank you. Is this your gravestone? Make the lights flash or speak into the box, please.
Yeah. But you don't know if it's answering for that, do you?
You know. Is this your... Can you make the lights stop, please?
Not me, is it, with camera? No.
I can't ask you questions unless you make it stop.
What camera is it? Keep away from that. Yeah.
Oh.
You're mad, innit?
Yeah.
Are you trying to tell us something? Well, obviously you are, but
Yeah, but what?
no. Is that a no? Amazing, that, wasn't it?
Yeah.
What should we ask? Don't know what to ask now.
That's the EMF, that's Billy Hines EMF meter.
Is anybody here?
What's that?
Thank you. Is this your gravestone? Make the lights flash or speak into the box, please. What was that then?
Could have been one of us. Yeah. But you don't know if it's answering for that, do you?
Is this your... It was you that said
Can you make the lights
earlier.
stop, please?
Not me, is it?
Sound, you sound gruffly. You sound really gruffled.
Gruffled.
Yeah, gruffly.
Can't ask you
your voice.
questions unless you make it stop.
I just thought it because I was talking low.
You sound alright, but on that, you sound really husky and gruffly, don't it?
Usually I sound like a girl.
Mm.
Cow. I heard it again, like, yeah, it went. I think it was me.
Try and tell us something.
No.